Okay, so here's the benefit of having run, or the payoff of having run through the whole calibration bit, is now that if you do a Kinect-based mixed reality recording like this one, then the Kinect video, meaning my body right now, will line up really well with virtual objects in the scene. For example, here we have the cones indicating the hotspot, sort of the cursor at the front of the tracking donuts on the Vive controller, which are really well lined up. But if we assign any kind of virtual object that are supposed to be locked to your hands, or if you want to touch something, if you want to touch the floor, that also all lines up very nicely. So let's try that. I am going to create, oh, this is a Quake 3 model viewer, so we can create a Quake 3 shotgun. And as you can see, this lines up really quite well with my hand. The handle of the shotgun is not perfectly aligned with the controller handle because just due to the model it's angled in the wrong way. But ignore that, we can create another model. Hang on. Let's do something that does not quite fit the environment. Let's do another one. So now these two cylinders, again, if you look, you see how nicely they line up with my hands. And that's really what we're going for. So now if I can, press the button, and now I hope I won't become the next Star Wars kid, but everything works really well. This is lined up, it follows around, it's pretty sweet actually. I can, of course, because now I see the controllers, I can do all kinds of crazy stuff. Whoops, didn't mean to press the button. Let's see, I can juggle a lightsaber. Maybe not the smartest thing to do, but oh well. But it works, so that's nice. Well, again, don't want to play with this too long, but there you go. Oh, I should mention, of course, that this was the calibration we did in the first video, where you use a static camera. So the benefit is that I can make a recording by myself, but the drawback is it's not very dynamic because the camera is in a fixed position. So I can't just have someone pick up the camera and move it around and show different angles of the environment, because it is, at the moment somebody were to pick that up now, it would, of course, the calibration would break. Alright,